painting, collage making, inspiration, art. Photography, calligraphy, and drawing things, art. Fashion, painting, collage making, inspiration, art. Use your art to be creative. Try and show the world who you are and what you're made of. Express yourself as something never be afraid of. There's only one you, so only you can be your greatest. Ayy, I'm painting pictures, man. I'm doing things different, man. I'm a genius at making plans. I make art that's brilliant. I am a poet and I am a rapper and I am a singer and also I draw. Also an actor and also a writer, comedian, genius, that's all. I barely go to the mall. Too busy making it all. Ayy, barely go to the mall. Yeah, I'm too busy making it all. Art, photography, calligraphy, and drawing things, art. Fashion, painting, collage making, inspiration, art. Photography, calligraphy, and drawing things, art. Fashion, painting, collage making, inspiration, art.